Crossbows have a long history, dating back to ancient China around the 5th century BC. They were initially developed for military use and were later adopted for hunting and sport. But now they're pretty common in the world of camping as well. Stick around till the end to find out all about survival gadgets that are available in the market and you've got to get your hands on. The AR6 Stinger 2 Compact, for instance, is a pistol crossbow that's turning out to be a complete game changer. It's not only ultra-light, but packs quite the punch with the fastest rate of fire you'll find in any repeating crossbow out there. The quick and easy cocking lever makes it super easy to unleash a rapid storm of bolts with fast and intuitive aiming. Thanks to the new fiber optic front sight, it allows you to stay locked onto your target before you're ready to take the shot. The reloads have become a breeze as well. All you have to do is release the retaining spring, pop open the cover, drop in the bolts, close it up, and bam, you're back in action. And you can store your AR6 Stinger 2 fully loaded with nothing to worry about, as long as those limbs aren't cocked. And when it's time, you can make it ready to fire in the blink of an eye. That, combined with the improvements to replace the string on your AR6 Stinger 2, means no tools are required anymore. It's all action and no hassle. The AR6 Stinger 2 Compact is truly redefining the game with a starting price of $360. But here's something for the campers out there. It seems the Ariel A1 is about to become the ultimate portable camping shelter that's going to change the way you sleep under the stars. Its innovative design is tailor-made for seasoned campers and even those who've had their fair share of sleeping disturbances. We're talking about a flat sleeping surface that's easy to position your body on, allowing you to be cozy in the middle of nowhere. All thanks to the webbing underneath that functions as a mattress that soaks up all your tossing and turning without making you feel like you're on a seesaw. But that's not all. This lightweight wonder is not just a tent. It also functions as a hammock with a flat and stable sleeping platform that can hang effortlessly between two sturdy trees. The setup is straightforward as well by simply connecting the Ariel to either side of the trees and creating a 4-point setup. Ariel's intuitive design is a one-stop solution for camping on all terrains. Whether it's rocky, rooty, or you have a river running nearby, this portable shelter has your back. All at a price tag of $360. Stick around because we're not just here for the campers. There's a bit for everyone. Now it's time to meet the quite literally cutting-edge Axxis. It's a 21st century marvel inspired by prehistoric man's flint hand axes, and it promises to revolutionize your outdoor adventures. It's basically a survival knife, packed with a chopping force of an axe in one sleek package, all without the extra weight. But that's not all it does. The Axxis packs 11 incredible design features that come together to create a bushcrafting marvel. But what sets it apart is its size. With a blade size of 5.3 inches and an overall size of 7 inches, traditional small axes rely on a handle for chopping velocity, but not the Axxis. With its forward-facing, mid-grip trigger, it unleashes what we call axial rotation right in your hand. It's like wielding a tiny tornado of chopping power. The Axxis promises unparalleled versatility with its fully skeletonized frame. You'll have a gazillion grip options to tackle your crafting tasks with its 2 razor-sharp edges. Plus, it's machined from a solid chunk of D2 tool steel and coated with titanium nitride for low maintenance and a lifetime of hard use. It doesn't end there. The Axxis can also transform into a full-size axe. And for the need a haft, all you have to do is find a tree, chop a handle, and use the channeled mounting wedge to secure your Axxis in place. With the included 10 feet of paracord, you can lash it to its haft for some serious felling action. Now, you can't talk about survival without mentioning first aid kits. This time, we've got the Arb Sportsman 400 First Aid Kit, and it promises to prepare you for whatever comes your way, whether you're off on a hunting adventure, fishing trip, or riding your ATV into the wild. The Sportsman 400 is designed for 10 people embarking on a journey into the woods that could last up to 2 weeks. It's basically like a mini hospital in a bag. It's got everything, from a tourniquet, a C-splint, and a wound-stop trauma dressing. It's not just about Band-Aids with the Arb Sportsman 400 First Aid Kit. It's ready to handle everything from minor cuts to more serious injuries. Plus, it makes things super easy during an emergency. All the items are listed on an external kit map, and they've organized everything into pockets so you know exactly where to look for the type of injury you're dealing with. And no time is wasted looking around for what you need. It's right at your fingertips. The Sportsman 400 is also detachable and waterproof. You can attach it to your hunting gear, stick it in your snowmobile backpack, or hang it on your ATV bag when you head out for the day. No need to keep the big, bulky kit this time because the Arb Sportsman 400 First Aid Kit is a lifesaver in a bag. Now we've got the BioLite Camp Stove, and it's here to tackle your emergency needs while bringing the joy of camping to a whole new level. At first glance, it looks like your run-of-the-mill portable stove, but it's so much more. The BioLite Camp Stove isn't fueled by petroleum. It runs on the power of nature. Yep, it runs on twigs, pine cones, pellets, and even biomass like pine needles or leaves. It's extremely eco-friendly, so all you need to get it going is to start a fire in the combustion chamber of the stove using a fire starter, kindling, or a small amount of paper. And while you're cooking on the BioLite Camp Stove, it also functions as your trusty charger. It's got a built-in USB plug that can power up not just your phone, but pretty much any gadget. Now, it won't juice up your phone in the blink of an eye, but it'll give you that extra spark you need to make a call. And all this packs down neatly into a portable 8 1/4 by 5 inch shape, weighing in at just 2 pounds. SimpliSafe Security is definitely a crowd pleaser. It's all in their promise of simplicity meeting affordability. In this day and age, a home security system is a must-have survival gadget. Boasting some of the industry's most budget-friendly monthly monitoring fees, SimpliSafe puts you in control. Start or stop the service at your convenience. With SimpliSafe, you choose the equipment and monitoring level that suits your needs, and you explore your options at your own pace. On top of that, SimpliSafe offers professional monitoring without locking you into lengthy contracts, with a 60-day money-back guarantee. While still offering a new outdoor security camera and rapid SOS, it ensures swift emergency assistance by bypassing monitoring centers and directly connecting to 911 dispatchers. Now for some laser pointers. The BX Blue Laser offers 3 awe-inspiring power levels: 1200 milliwatts, 2000 milliwatts, and a staggering 3000 milliwatts at 445 nm. It's a game changer, setting new standards for blue laser technology. With internal cooling and a 100% unlimited duty cycle, the BX keeps it cool during extended use, designed for longevity and precision. With a 30 to 120-minute battery lifetime, the BX accompanies you on adventures without constant recharging. They're powerful enough to light fires and melt yoga mats and shirts. Prices start at just $199.95.